Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Today, I want to show you a way to promote TextBot, guys, using solo ads. I just want to show you some results that I have received by using a solo ad vendor. Of course, I use several vendors, but just want to show you guys this is a way for some folks that don't want to promote on social media or any of that. They just want to do paid advertising. This is a great way to do it with solo ads. So kind of just want to show you that and some results. All right, so let me go over and let's talk about traffic, because without traffic you're not in business. Okay, so let's see, check it out. Okay, so traffic, okay, is very important in any online business. Okay, traffic is the lifeblood of every online business. There's no two ways about it. You can have the best offer or product in the world, but without having anyone coming to your website, you aren't going to make any money. That is so true. And a lot of you probably have realized that by now if you've joined any online business. Okay, so I like to do paid advertising. Of course, I do with some of the free methods, but this is, of course, when you do paid advertisement, you get quicker responses. Okay, so let me just show you some of the prices of this particular vendor, and I'll show you some more, and then we'll get into some of the results that I have from using this vendor or using solo ads in general. Okay, so let's look at the price points for a solo ad. Okay, so this is some premium traffic that you're getting here. All right, so let's go down and take a look at the pricing for this premium traffic. Okay, so you can get 100% tier 1 buyers premium traffic. This is 100% tier 1 countries right here. So let me show you. And then over here is 100% USA clicks. Okay, if you just want USA, it's a little bit more, but check it out. So just want you to see how you can get started. All you have to do is send them your link, and you want to send them a capture page link. You do not want to send them your affiliate link for whatever program you're in. You want a capture page where you can ask for the name, email, and phone number, or email. Okay, so for 100 clicks, it's $100. For 200, it's $198. Okay, and that's for tier 1 countries. If you want all USA, 100 clicks for $120, all USA 200 for $220, and then it goes up from there, as you can see here, 300, 5, and so forth. Okay, so as much as you want, but pace yourself. The point of the matter is take action. As soon as I join an online business, the first thing I do is I run traffic. I want to get eyeballs looking at this opportunity as soon as possible. And that's the first thing you want to do. Set up your back office, start running traffic, then you can go and do all the social media, some of that other stuff. But get this thing rolling, okay? So let's check this thing out. So let me show you. This is the page I created in the Conversion Pros. Okay, you definitely want to join me in the Conversion Pros. I'll give you my share codes, okay, if you want to duplicate some of the pages I've created. So this is a page I created. Okay, and what I had, the way I have it set up is once they enter the information, it goes straight to TextBot. Okay, and I'm going to show you the page it goes to. Okay, because this video is about how to promote TextBot using solo ads. Okay, so as soon as they opt in, they go here. Okay, and they land here and they watch this video, and then if they move forward, they click this button here and enter the information, and then AVA is going to take over from there. But the other thing is when they opted into my capture page over here, see what happens over here is I'm asking for their name and email. But when they go to TextBot, it's asking for their name and phone number. Okay, so over here I'm able to capture this, and my Conversion Pros system can follow up with email series. Okay, and then I can introduce myself. In my emails, I show who I am. Okay, so people will know I'm a real person on the other side. Okay, so that happens there. And then with TextBot, I can go in TextBot and I can see all the numbers that have been entered into the system, and I can use TextBot to follow up with text messages. Okay, but let me show you. So this is the page I'm using. Let's go to the Conversion Pros and I'll show you. The name of this page is called TextBot New Page. Okay, I have this covering the prospect's name and email for privacy protection. But right here in the Conversion Pros, you go right here where it says Lander, and I name the page TextBot New Page, and I click Search. Let me show you how many opt-ins I got in that page. Okay, 71 opt-ins. If you look right here, you see the dates. Let me move this over. See, this is recent. Okay, so 71 opt-ins so far, and it's still running. Okay, now this campaign is still running, mind you. Okay, but you can see right here, new TextBot sign up, new TextBot sign up, new TextBot sign up. Okay, so this is all from me running solo ad traffic to that page I just showed you. So results are coming in, guys. You have to also remember, you're talking about lead generation. See, I want to hold on that for a minute because I know a lot of people just want to get signups, of course, but it's about lead generation. Again, we're talking about getting eyeballs on your opportunity. So I showed you 71 people have actually looked at that TextBot presentation. They put their name and email in, and it takes them automatically there. We're not talking about how many people went to the page and just looked at it and clicked it, but they actually entered their information. 71 people. Okay, so that's what it's about. The system is going to send the emails on my behalf. Then I'm going to go over, that's the other thing, by having TextBot AVA Plus, I can text to these people all at one time. Okay, that's what AVA Plus allows you to do. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm in my back office, and I'm an AVA Plus member, so that I can make $100 commissions, $500 commissions, and the $750 commissions. So broadcaster, you go here, you click broadcast. Okay, and right here is 4 steps. It tells you what to do, and I can name the campaign. I'll select the list, and I'll type a message, and I click send, and that goes out pretty much immediately. Okay, so that's how it all ties in. The Conversion Pros, step 1. Okay, you give the vendor your capture page link. Okay, it goes to Conversion Pros, they opt in, I get the lead, and I can broadcast an email to all of my leads from the Conversion Pros. They look at the TextBot presentation, they put in their name and email, name and phone number, and then AVA is going to start texting them, okay, and communicating with them and promoting my primary business all at the same time. And then I can go over to TextBot AVA Plus, because I'm an AVA Plus member, and click broadcast and send a broadcast out to all the phone numbers, not just them, every phone number that has been entered into my funnel. Okay, that's how it all ties together. Now, once you join me, I will show you this source. This is another source that I have. So once you join me, I'll give you this source, but there's a couple more that I've come across as well. Okay, so let's talk about what you do first if you want to go ahead and do this. This is a very simple process. Okay, so you would place your order, select the package. Remember, I just showed you those packages, $100, 200, whatever it is. In 24 to 48 hours, they're going to take a look at it, and they're going to provide the ad copy. You don't have to come up with the copy of what you should say to people. Okay, that's included. And then they will notify you when the campaign begins. Okay, so those 4 steps, that's it. Okay, well, your step is to place your order, give them your link, and this is just the flow of it. Okay, so start generating leads by using solo ads. Okay, and you may say, well, you know what, I don't have $100. Well, let me show you a couple other resources that I have, but you definitely want to use this as one of the marketing methods. Okay, because we know we've got drop cards, postcards, text message marketing, Craigslist, all those things too, but add this in the mix. Hang on. Okay, here's another vendor. 100 clicks for $40, 200 for $80, 300 for $120. And you see it's 90% tier 1, 400 for $160, and so forth. Okay, so $40. Okay, if you can't afford the 100. So we have resources. You guys just need to execute this stuff. So let me show you one more. Okay, here's another vendor. $55 for 80% tier 1 countries. So that would be 55 cents per click. So that's $55 for 100 clicks. $65 for 100 clicks if you want 85% tier 1. If you want 100% tier 1, $75. So it starts there. Okay, so as low as 55, you can do that one as well. And you can rotate these out, guys. Okay, you don't have to stick with one vendor. Okay, see what results you get. Start a small package, see what results you get. If you like what you see, you buy another one, or maybe you go up to the $65. That's how it works. We just test these things, and then once we find what works, you keep doing it over and over, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Okay, so there you have it. There's another way to go ahead and get immediate eyeballs looking at your TextBot system. If you're not in TextBot, go ahead and get started, guys. It's only $150 to get started, and you can make $100 commissions over and over and over, and you receive those commissions any way you want, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, etc. All that's in your back office, easy to set up, plug and play, and you're ready to start promoting this thing. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside of TextBot. Till next time, see you on the next video. Be safe out there and have a blessed day.